Hi, my name is Dr. Janina Duliunas, chiropractor at Universal Chiropractic in Mississauga, Ontario. So, for the month of October, we are focusing on spinal health and whole body wellness. So, what the heck does that mean? Let's talk about your spine first. Your spine, my spine, everybody's spine has two main functions. The first function is that it protects your spinal cord. That is your lifeline. Your spinal cord is protected by the spine and has all these nerves that come from it that looks kind of like a tree. This makes up your nervous system. Nobody ever talks about the nervous system, but chiropractors like myself, we're kind of annoying about it because it's so important. Your nervous system controls everything about you. The way you think, the way you feel, your heart beating, your lungs allowing you to breathe, literally everything. It controls the way your muscle functions, your tissues, glands, literally everything. So when we affect the spine, we can affect the nervous system as chiropractors, okay? The second thing your spine does is it keeps you upright. This is your posture. Your posture is a mirror to your spine and your nervous system. So as a chiropractor, I want to see a straight spine from front to back, and I want to see 3 flowing curves from the side. And we measure this in 3 different ways at my clinic. I visually measure it. We digitize it with a photo that we can digitize your markings based on your body, as well as x-rays if needed and warranted. So many different ways we can measure this posture. Why posture is important? Well, your posture affects a lot of your life, in the sense that if someone has poor posture, aesthetically, they don't look as good. If someone looks like this, they don't look as good aesthetically as someone who's like this, right? Shoulders back, head back, etc. You feel better. When you have good posture, you automatically feel better. You're breathing better. Research has shown that when we're in poor posture, and you see those people rounded shoulders, when they're at their desk on their phones, we see it all the time, their lung capacity can be decreased by up to 30%, which can affect athletic ability to breathe, potentially causing more anxiety, all of these things. So your posture is pretty important. And in this day and age, ours has gotten pretty terrible, okay? Because we are all, again, sitting at our desks, we're looking down at our phones constantly. I see this in kids, I see this in adults, I see this in every age group at this point, especially after COVID, okay? So this is what your nervous system does. This is why spinal health is so important to take care of at a very young age, and at any age, because the best time to start is now. But the earlier the better, of course. So what you can do to improve your spinal hygiene and improve the functioning of your nervous system, communication to your brain, which is the most important thing, is one, you can, if you are somebody that is at your desk and you're constantly sitting there for hours and hours, set an alarm on your phone that goes off every 30 minutes. Now, I'm not telling you to take a 20-minute break every 20 minutes, but take that pause, take that posture break, and even do the burgers position. I can't really show you in this video now, where you're just leaning back, giving yourself a nice stretch. Your body does not like to be in any one posture for a long period of time, so give your body that break, and at that same time, give your eyes that break, because if you're constantly looking at that screen, you're typically going to be leaning forward, and I have seen cases of vertigo go up like crazy because of that excess screen time, and even in teens, which I've never seen before like I do now. Get adjusted by your chiropractor. This is going to be a common theme in all my videos, because getting adjusted by your chiropractor is the best thing for your nervous system, your posture, and your health overall, to improve mobility, to improve that posture, because you could be told, keep straightening your back, straighten your back. Your mom might have told you when you were growing up, but you're not going to inherently do that because you don't have the biomechanics and the patterns to do that. These are your patterns now, and with repetitive chiropractic adjustments, your posture improves over time naturally, because this doesn't feel good anymore. Okay, so taking breaks at work, taking vision breaks at work if you're looking at screens, getting adjusted by your chiropractor, getting enough sleep. This is a huge thing, because when we're exhausted, we're tired, we tend to slump over more. Getting proper nutrients in your body, getting enough water, hydration, supplementation like magnesium, omegas, getting that nerve flow to your brain consistently, and moving your body every single day in some way. Whether it's a walk, whether it's a run, a CrossFit workout, yoga, Pilates, I don't care. Movement is life. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, my name is Dr. Janina Duliunas, chiropractor in Mississauga, Ontario at Universal Chiropractic. I hope you have a fantastic day.